If you want to add a telephone hyperlink in Mailchimp, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can turn regular text into a clickable phone link inside your email campaign. This is super useful if you want subscribers to call you directly from your newsletter, promotional email, or customer support message. And before we jump in, if this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and go to your account dashboard. From there, click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, whether you are editing a draft, a regular campaign, or a message you have already started building. Next, find the email where you want to add the telephone hyperlink and click Edit next to it. Once the campaign opens, click Edit Design. This takes you into the email editor, where you can make changes to the content of your message. Now look for the section where you want the phone link to appear. In this tutorial, we are using a paragraph block, so click and drag a paragraph block into the email if you do not already have one. Then type something like "call now" or any text you want people to click. After that, highlight the entire text you just typed. This is important because Mailchimp needs to know exactly which words should become the hyperlink. With the text selected, click Add Link from the toolbar. A link window will appear, and this is where you choose the type of link. Click the web drop-down menu first. From the options that appear, select Phone. This tells Mailchimp that instead of linking to a website, you want the text to open a phone call on mobile devices. Once you choose Phone, type in the phone number you want people to call. Make sure the number is entered correctly and includes the right digits for your business or support line. If your audience is international, double-check the format so it works as expected. After entering the phone number, click Save. This applies the telephone hyperlink to your selected text. You should now see that the text is linked and ready to send people directly to a phone call action when they tap it in the email. When everything looks good, click Save and Exit to leave the editor and keep your changes. At this point, your campaign now includes a clickable telephone hyperlink inside Mailchimp. That's it. You've now added a telephone hyperlink in Mailchimp in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make your emails more actionable and give subscribers an easy way to contact you instantly. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Mailchimp tips and email marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.